Hi friends, it's Wewe here. Welcome back, and today I'm going to work in my traveler's notebook using Hip Kit Club July kit. I grabbed 2 pictures of my family time that we gathered together for celebrating my mother's birthday. I'm pulling out journaling cards from Hip Kit Club July Pocket Life Kit and choose some cards that I want to use. Now I'm trying to figure out where I want to put them, and I also grabbed the circle card file, which is free and available at Hip Kit Club website. I go through some pink fresh studio embellishment. I really love these soft colors, they are just beautiful. And as always, I choose flowers, the precious memory that I found, and it worked perfect because I will be using it as my title. Now I'm going to working on the right side of my page. At first, I think I want to showcase the circled cut file, but I found the background is too white to make the cut file pop up. So I decided to bring in some pattern papers and melon to make the white cut file work against the white background. Then I tear 2 pieces of papers. I think the pink and orange color match my picture and title nicely, so I just go for it. So I like the idea of layering 2 papers and arranging land and flower beside the cut file. And I find the left page looks great, so I'm just gonna start sticking everything down. And I'm going to add a little bit hand stitching for some interest. After watching me struggle with that balance and cut file, I decided to cut the cut file apart and layer them together. I also decided to take the vellum away and use the foam tab instead of vellum for getting more dimension and making the cut file work against the white background. Finally, I'm just going to sticking everything down. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I hope see you soon. Bye bye.